Students, in today's video we are going to see one more application of combination circuit is subtractor. Okay, so subtractor is a combination circuit which is used to perform the subtraction of binary numbers. Okay, so subtractor having two types. First one is half subtractor and the second one is full subtractor. So let's go with the first half subtractor. Okay, the half subtractor consists two inputs, consider A and B, and it produces two outputs, difference and borrow. Okay, these are the general statement of the half subtractor. Let's go with the block diagram of half subtractor. With the inputs are A and B and outputs are difference and borrow. These are the simple logic diagram, block diagram of half subtractor. Then next step is truth table. We know that it consists two inputs and two outputs. The inputs are A and B and the outputs are difference and borrow. Okay, so if the two inputs are there, then it produces four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So for 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 0 minus 0 0, borrow is also 0. 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. 1 minus 0, difference is 1, borrow is 0. 1 minus 1, both are zeros. Okay, after once again we are able to draw the truth table, then we have to find out the Boolean expressions for difference and borrow. So for the difference, consider only one were present for this one and for this one. Go through with the input combinations. For this, the inputs are A bar, B plus, for this A, B bar. These are the first difference, and this then borrow is nothing but A bar B. Okay, I hope so you understand this Boolean expression with the help of truth table. Then it's time to draw the logic diagram. So logical implementation. In this logical implementations, first write down the Boolean expressions of the difference and borrow. A bar B plus A B bar, and the borrow is A bar B. Okay, then first identify these Boolean expressions having two terms and they are XORing with each other, and this consists only one terms and they are ending with each other with the A bar complement. So first this is A, this is a B for the difference. we use direct exclusive OR gate will gives us difference. For this implementation of A bar B, first you use NOT gate to implement A bar. Okay, then input B is available, so they are ANDing with each other, so use AND gate. This is a borrow. Okay, these are the logical implementation of the half subtractor. Then let's go with the full subtractor, that is second type. Okay, what is the difference between a full subtractor and half subtractor? In full subtractor, it consists three inputs. Inputs are A, B, and borrow of previous column, and it produces two outputs. These are difference and B out, that is borrow out of the next column. Okay, this is the general statement for the half subtractor. Then go through the block diagram. B out. Okay, for that we have to implement truth table. For truth table, we have to identify number of inputs. There are three number of inputs and two number of outputs. The inputs are A, B, and borrow of the previous column, as well as outputs are difference and B out. Okay, these three inputs produces 8 different combinations. So first 0 0 0 with decimal value of 0. Here you can include one more column, decimal values. Then the outputs are 0 0. For next decimal value 1, the input combination 0 0 1. So difference and borrow both are 1. For 2 decimal values 0 1 0, for that combination are 1 1. For 3 0 1 1, the input combinations are 0 1 1 and outputs are 0 1. For 4 1 0 0 1 and 0, and for 5 1 0 1, both are zeros. For 6 1 1 0, both are again 0 zeros, and for the 7 1 1 1, these are the both are 1 1. This is nothing but binary subtraction of 2 or 3 inputs. Okay, let's go with the Boolean expressions. Okay, because we want to implement logic diagram for the Boolean expressions of difference. Just we have to identify number of ones, and for number of ones we have to write the input combinations for that. So write down the input combinations for this number of ones. First one is A bar, B bar, B in. You can consider this is an B in, that is B in borrow in of the previous. Then plus for this one A bar, B in bar. For this one A, B bar, B in bar, and for this one A, B in. Okay, these are the general statement for the difference. Okay, then find out the common terms in the both the equations. In this B in is a common term, So what will be inside the bracket? A bar B bar plus AB plus, in these two terms, B in bar is a common term, so A bar B plus AB bar, this is the last terms. Okay, once again we can apply here XOR rule. So assume A bar B plus AB bar is equal to X, and this is nothing but exclusive NOR gate output, which is A bar B plus A B. Okay, this can be implemented with the help of X or plus NOT gate. So this equation will be A bar B plus A B bar and its whole bar. Okay, so this will be X terms, then this will be X bar, then put values in above equation, then equation becomes B in into X bar plus B in bar into X. Okay, again identify this or compare this with the A B bar plus A bar B. So this can be B in is XOR with X. What is the value of X? B in is XOR with A is XOR with B. This is the final equation of the difference. Okay, then what about the B out, that is bore out? For B out, consider for this ones A bar B bar B in, for this one A bar B B in bar, for this one A bar B B in plus, for this one A B B in. After that, just bring the common terms. So common terms are A bar B bar plus AB plus from this common term we can bring A bar B bar B in. So A bar B B in bar plus B in plus this term as it is, will bring common from these two as A bar B A bar B. So it will be A B B in. Okay, from these two terms we can bring B in as a common, so A bar B bar plus A B plus inside the bracket A bar B, because A plus A bar is equal to 1. That's why this bracket will be one value and this will be remaining, which is B out equations. Okay, with the help of these two equations, just go through, draw the logic diagram for the full subtractor. So logical implementation of full subtractor is very simple, looks like, and full adder one. For this you can implement this one term A and B, those are XORing with each other. Okay, then we need one more input, which is B in bar, B in. So consider B in, which is again produces A XOR with B XOR with B in. Okay, this is the difference. Okay, for the borrow we know that we have these terms, so this will be modified like B in A XORing with B complement plus A bar B. Okay, because exclusive NOR gate can be implemented by using XOR plus NOT gate. So take first this input, use NOT gate to take complement, then we have to use AND operation between B in and this, so use AND gate for the these combinations. And the last one is we need A bar B, so take one more NOT gate, this will be A bar, and we need one more input, that is B in. We are ANDing together and produces our output B out. Okay, this is all about the subtractor with two types, half adder and full subtractor, sorry, half subtractor and full subtractor, in which we go through with the simple explain statement, then block diagram, as well as truth table and Boolean expressions. And with the help of Boolean expression, we here draw the logic diagram. Thank you very much.